So, hey guys, Aaron here, lover of all things good, and as usual, I'm making something tasty, delicious, and very healthy. So today I'm making something that's very plant-based, a really delicious recipe, something that's simple and easy to make and very quick for all those guys, girls, whoever is basically busy and active, and you don't have too much time. This is definitely the recipe for you. It's gonna be delicious, guaranteed to satisfy, but also really good for you as well. So please stay tuned for that. Always, don't forget to subscribe, turn notifications, and give me that thumbs up, please. It means so much to me. So I'm gonna basically go ahead and start by just rinsing off these veggies. I like to rinse everything off. They're all organic, so I feel like it's actually pretty safe. I'm gonna go ahead and start by just peeling this sweet potato right here. So I just basically take it and just take the skin. Parsnip too now. So we're going to take this parsnip. It's been washed. And this parsnip, as I mentioned before, they have a very kind of cinnamon, kind of like nutmeggy flavor and smell. All right. And I'm actually going to need these carrots too. So just kind of this carrot. It's like not a full peel, just kind of a little bit of a light peel on the side of it. You don't have to peel the carrot, but I'm just doing it. It's just a preference thing. You don't have to, because you don't have to actually peel any of these things. But for this recipe, I choose to. So I'm using 2 carrots, 1 parsnip. Depends on the size of parsnip, but just 1 for today. And I'm using 1 sweet potato and 1 zucchini, and just a bunch of chives, and 1 shallot actually. I have my parsnip, my carrots, and my sweet potato already nicely peeled. I'm gonna go ahead and start kind of slicing up this zucchini. I'm just gonna basically start by removing this end of the zucchini. This is the like little kind of, I guess like cap or whatever, or I guess like it connects to the plant. So I'm gonna slice that off, and then we're basically gonna start by just cutting it like that, nicely through and through. Cut it again. I'm just gonna cut little small sections of it. And then I'm gonna basically kind of slice through the zucchini and just get nice little sections. And I'm gonna kind of just like slice it up nicely to basically just like probably 1/2 inch in width, but about 1 inch in diameter pieces. And then I'm gonna do the same thing here. And then I'm basically gonna kind of just like slice it through like that. Nicely. So we have our carrots here. I'm gonna start here too again, nice kind of taking this cap off of them right here. This is where they kind of connect to the root. And these have been peeled. I'm just basically gonna slice these into, I'm gonna slice them in half. Let me show you where I can actually show you a little bit better. I'm gonna slice these in half. All right. And I'm actually gonna move this over. This little zucchini. I think I need a bigger cutting board. I'll just show you what I'm gonna do. I'm basically gonna kind of go through, and these are pretty thin, so I'm just gonna do like that. I'm gonna slice them through like once like that. Depends on what the actual like part of the carrot, because sometimes it's thicker than and thinner. Depends on how far up you go. And I'm gonna slice it in half again, and then so I want like kind of like bars of carrot like that. So again, we're gonna do the same thing. I'm going to slice through and then cut. So we have like a little bit. So basically you're kind of, in essence, cutting the carrot into quarters, right? So we see our sweet potato right here. I'm gonna start basically by chopping this through the middle like that. And I'm actually gonna do, since this is pretty round in circumference, that's the right word. We're gonna basically take this and just kind of create like silver dollar size, probably about a quarter of an inch in thickness, maybe 1/8 of an inch. All right, so now we're gonna basically take our parsnip here. So I'm gonna cut this cap off, I'll show you, right there. Slice that off. I don't know why anybody would wanna eat that. No one's Bugs Bunny in here, so we're not gonna be doing that today. So cut that, cut through, and just watch your fingers, sharp knives, just be careful. So we have our shallots right here. I'm just gonna break that open, see like that. Just take it and you want to kind of just like score it through the middle like that. Evenly mix this up nicely like that. Really want to get all these kind of like juices, the apple cider vinegar, the grapeseed oil, and everything, the turmeric, nicely distributed over the veggies too. All right, so now since I have those in the oven, I'm gonna go ahead and just chop these with my knife. I'm gonna chop these chives, and I'm gonna use this actually a bit of a fresh garnish as well.